But one thing is for sure. If you enter here, you'll never get out.
What?
I think we just book it, honestly.
Where to?
Anywhere.
How though? There's literally hills and we can't go up them because it's basically. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Where? Why are we down here? Thanks for the info, I guess.
You don't even know, so why would I know?
No.
I'm going to the radio tower.
Rakes. Well, looks like escaping isn't an option.
Yeah. Oh crap! It took my radio. Hayden!
What?
Hello.
I
Why is everyone here?
don't know. I guess it's the safest spot.
Not really.
Oh. We're probably gonna be here for more than 6 nights, maybe like 9 nights, maybe? If I'm being complete.
Wait, if everyone's here, then does that mean? Crap!
I'm out of here.
Oh my god. Oh, holy crap. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, that
Yeah,
hurts.
you on this place, dude? I don't have my radio. I can't talk with Alex. He's quite dead, actually.
Hurts so
You
much.
look like you know where you're going.
Oh, holy crap, I don't have my radio either.
Oh, this place. What a nurturing place. But this is one of his houses. We should be concerned. No?
Oh god. Crap.
We have 6 minutes. 6 hours, actually.
Holy crap. Holy crap. Your race attacked everyone but me. Instead of I wonder where Hayden is. He could be in the safe house. Yeah, that's probably likely. Maybe I should head there.
It's too dark out here. Can't even see where I'm going. Great.
What the? Oh my god. Why would you turn the lights on? Holy crap. Dead. I'm dead. I'm so dead. Dead. I'm dead. I'm so dead. I'm super dead.
Alright, every man for themselves.
If this was made out of metal, the Rake would not be able to break it.
Lights. The lights. Give me a goddamn break.
Holy crap.
Better watch with anything. What's that? Who are you? Explain yourself. Okay. You know, fair enough. No. I kinda wish I had better vision. What's it? What's that?
Hey, Hayden. This guy tried to push me off, so... Shut it. Oh my god. Oh. Hayden! Wait for me!
No, I'm getting out of here, dude.
What the hell, man?
Every man for themselves. That's my new motto.
I'm literally gonna kill you.
You know where the safe house is? Do you still have your map?
No, I don't care, none you.
Oh, that's just rude.
You just literally tried to leave.
Ah, yeah, good point. It's literally like the safe house just disappeared. Like what Alex just did. He's gone now. Great.
Oh, hey.
Oh. I nearly died twice. Wait, this is usually near the safe house. Over here. No. I think I remember. Or not.
Did I just see eyes? Oh crap, Hayden's gone. Oh no.
This flashlight was definitely made from Timo.
Oh god.
Gonna go the
Crap,
opposite
crap,
way of what
crap.
happening was.
Crap, 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 crap.
Yes!
What? No way. Oh. Oh.
Yes! My god. What the hell am I? Oh, right. Oh, bacon. Hello. Crap, so the bus should be near the house. If I remember. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god! No, haha. Haha. Run away. Run away. I'm following you. Come in. Oh, man. I need to find a safe house so I can get a ready.
Find.
Okay.
What's up? Over here.
Oh,
If you're
is this safe
looking for the safe house, it's right over here.
nice.
Nearly died. At least
I nearly died as well. Oh, are we not going to the shop?
How much money do you have?
$50.
You think you can buy anything with $50?
You can.
I was barely able to buy this watch.
Okay.
I'd say we try to stay here for the night.
Okay.
Or do you want to go to the radio tower?
We can stay here. This place is probably safer. Do you think there's an explanation for these dead bodies we keep
Let's
finding?
take it out in time.
Oh.
That's my explanation.
I wish I could just try and call the police. Okay.
But we don't really have any yet.
Exactly. Can't call the goddamn police.
What was that?
What?
Nothing. So, our first plan failed. Do you have any others?
No.
Great. Great. Great.
Maybe we could try and climb the hills. Oh no.
Yeah, we got one.